Hello, I am Liz and I am a member of the peer research group in Children in Wales.
Hello, I am Beth and I am a member of the peer research group in Children in Wales.
We are really interested in what stops young people from being eco-friendly, and so we would like your views on this as a young person in Wales. We want as many different views as possible, so please, if you are comfortable, fill in this survey and let us know what you think.
It should take you around 5 minutes to complete. We're looking for responses from all over Wales, from anyone under the age of 18. If you would like to complete the form in Welsh, please click the drop box at the top of the form. The survey platform we use is Microsoft Forms, and you do not need to log in, which means your responses are anonymous and cannot be tracked back to you. This means we as researchers or anyone else who will look at the responses will not know your name or who you are. The answers that you give will be recorded and will be shared with the peer research team in Children in Wales and our partners Community Knowledge Find and Eggings.
We will then combine all the answers together, looking at how many young people said one answer or another, and put them into a report. Once we have created a report, we will share the combined responses more widely, for example on social media and with other people interested in this research. In this survey, we will ask questions about you, such as your age, gender, and area of Wales.
This is to help us to understand if different groups of young people feel differently about this issue.
We will then ask a range of questions to do with living sustainably and the different things that may stop you from being eco-friendly.
If you don't feel comfortable answering any of the questions, you do not have to. The only question that you have to fill out in order for your responses to be accepted is your age, as this survey is only for those under 18.
You can stop taking part at any time, and if you no longer want your answers to be included in our research, please close the tab and do not press submit.
If you feel upset, you can reach out to Childline on childline.org.uk or 080011111, or you can talk to an adult you trust.
If you would like to give us more in-depth information on how you feel about this issue, we would really like to hear from you, as we are hosting a series of small focus groups with young people. If you would like to get involved in this, send an email to bethany.turner@childreninwales.org.uk and we will be in touch soon. Thank you in advance for your time and for your views.